morning, students. I hope you all are fine and well. Students, today we are going to discuss about our chapter 12, Introduction to Internet. Student, first of all, we need to discuss about what is Internet. Students, Internet is a global system. It means it is worldwide. It is a global system of interconnected computer networks. It means in complete networks there are small computer networks. There are many small computer networks, and all those networks are connected with each other by the help of the internet. That enables the user to share information and various resources with each other. So by the help of the internet we can share information with each other, and we can share the resources also by the help of the internet. Or you can say the simple definition of the internet is it is a network of networks. Lots of networks are there in the complete world, and all those networks are connected with main networks, that is internet. Next is applications of internet. Internet is used nowadays everywhere. We have found internet in many fields like education. You can use internet education. If you want to search about any topic, you can search that on internet. Next is email. In email you can send the message, that is for the communication. For business purpose you can use email. E-commerce, that is also for business. For entertainment, social networking, health and care. These are some main applications where the internet is used. Now, disadvantages of internet. Internet is having some disadvantages also. The first and the main disadvantage is virus threat. When we are using internet, there is a possibility of the viruses to get entry in your internet. If you are not having antivirus in your computer, viruses may get entry in your computer and can harm your computer. Next is spamming, cybercrime, pornography, cyber terrorism, time wastage. These are also some other disadvantages of the internet. Next is World Wide Web, WWW. World Wide Web, it is like a library, and everything which you have seen on internet, you try to open any website, any content which you have seen on the internet, that is stored in World Wide Web. It is like a library. जैसे लाइब्रेरी होती है उसमें सभी बुक्स स्टोर होती हैं, वैसे ही इंटरनेट का जितना भी डेटा है वो www वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब में स्टोर है. स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट टर्म इज दैट इज वेब ब्राउज़र. So what is a web browser? Web browser is a software which is used to websites, which is used to view websites. Students, we are having like Microsoft Word. If we want to type something, so you have to use Microsoft Word. If I want to calculate something, if I want to do drawing, you have Paint. If you want to calculate something, you are having Excel. If you want to present any topic, you are having PowerPoint. In the same way, if you want to see or if you want to use internet, you are having web browser. There are some of the web browser which are given in your book: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Opera, or Microsoft Edge. In my computer I am having Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. So when you open your web browser, double click on your web browser will be opened, and now you can use internet. When you open your web browser and you try to open something in your internet, firstly you will find website. A website is a collection of related web pages, contains image. Suppose I want to open Google or YouTube or CBSE, like CBSE I want to open here. Click on CBSE. So this website will be opened here. So this is my CBSE website. Clear? Now, a website is collection of many web pages. It is told here. Clear? So in this website, this is your first page. The first page of a website is called home page, or you can say index page. Clear? And this page is containing the links of other pages. This is not opened yet. It is not completed open yet. When it is opened, you can see the other links also here. You can see here processing is going due to the slow network. So website is a collection of web pages, and a website is having a domain name. Domain name means when you open a website, see here, this is the name of, this is your complete URL of the website, cbse.nic.in. or if you want to open other website, you have to write here like www.google.com. I have opened here google.com. So this is Google, www.google.com. Gmail is displayed here. Remove it. Now this is your Google URL. This is your Google website, and this is the first page, that is called home page. In Google, you all aware what we can do. We can search the topics, like I want to search about news. I have written here news of today. Clear? Press enter. So you can see the details here. Clear? This is the second page. So website is a collection of web pages, and web page is a digital page that contains the complete information about that particular topic for which the web page is created. Clear? So in a web page, text may be there. There may be pictures, audios, videos, and tables may be there. A web page, suppose I want to open a website, click on it. So this is the website of NDTV. Clear? Now here, if you want to see here that this is NDTV website. This website is, this is the first page of your website. Clear? Home page, you can click on home page. So home page is always the first page. So this is your first page. Clear? This is also a web page. The first page of a website is called home page, but home page is also a web page. So at the top you can see these are the links of the other web pages. You can see these are the navigation areas, or you can say menu. Header, this is also like a header. This is also header of this web page. Content area, this is the content area, and footer will be at the bottom of your website. So this will be your footer area. This is your footer area of your web page. Okay, so a web page is containing different kind of information. Like in these websites there are many web pages, and which type of information you want to search. Suppose I want to search about cricket or business, ठीक है, tech or auto, whatever type of information you want to open. Suppose I want to search about business, so click on business web page will be open. So this is your web page. This web page is also containing the information. Now a web page is of two types. One is static web page, second is dynamic web page. You have seen information about news here today. Tomorrow you can see different news here. So this is your dynamic web page. A dynamic web page is that web page on which the information is changed or updated time to time. A static web page is that web page that contains the same information when the user cannot update the information, and that information will remain same where the no need of updation of the information. Those are called static web page. Now difference between a web page and a website, I think all of you have understood. Web page is the part of a website. A website contains many web pages, and the web page is containing the information of that particular topic for which that web page is created. Clear? Now next term is protocol. Protocols are the set of rules. Students, when we want to transfer data from one computer to another computer, we need to follow, or you can say your computer need to follow some rules, and those rules allows the data to transfer from one computer to another computer. So those are called protocols. We cannot see these kind of protocols. We can just transfer the data from one computer to another computer. Next is HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. You can see here at the top. Clear? At the beginning HTTP, S is given there. S is not mentioned in your book. S is for the security purpose. It means this web page is secure for your computer. Clear? Hypertext transfer protocols, this is a layer, this is a type of protocol, or you can say set of rules which transmit the data such as HTML. जो ये वेब पेज होते हैं, ये जो डिज़ाइन किए जाते हैं, इनके ऊपर जो कंटेंट लिखा जाता है, ये HTML की सहायता से लिखा जाता है. क्लियर? और HTML से ही जो डेटा होता है वो ट्रांसफर किया जाता है HTTP के थ्रू. So it is designed to establish communication between web browser and web server. जहाँ से डेटा आपके कंप्यूटर, जैसे ये वेबसाइट है, ये वेबसाइट जो ये वेब पेज का जो कंटेंट है, दिस इज़ नॉट इन योर कंप्यूटर. जब आपने यहाँ पे वो वेबसाइट का एड्रेस लिखा तो आपके कंप्यूटर ने www में से इस एड्रेस को सर्च किया और उसके ऊपर जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन थी वो आपके कंप्यूटर में ट्रांसफ़र हो गई. तो आपके जो ब्राउज़र है, इस ब्राउज़र के अंदर वो इंफॉर्मेशन कहाँ से आई? वेब सर्वर से, www से. तो वेब सर्वर से डेटा जब वेब ब्राउज़र में आता है तो वो HTTP, हाइपरटेक्स्ट ट्रांसफ़र प्रोटोकॉल के थ्रू ट्रांसफ़र होता है. Next is home page. I have told you the first page of the website is your home page. Home पे क्लिक कर दो. जो फर्स्ट पेज होता है आपकी वेबसाइट का, जब आप वेबसाइट ओपन करते हो उसका जो फर्स्ट पेज होगा वो हमेशा ही आपका होम पेज कहलाएगा. नेक्स्ट टर्म इज दैट इज URL, यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर. Students, you can see here, and this is our URL. मैं इसमें से जो सेकेंड पार्ट वो उड़ा देता हूँ. नाउ सी हियर, दिस इज द URL. इन दिस URL हियर यू कैन सी HTTP. ये क्या है आपका HTTPS? ये प्रोटोकॉल है. ये आपको ये बताया गया डेटा कैसे ट्रांसफ़र करना है. सेकेंड इज ndtv.com. दिस इज योर डोमेन नेम. NDTV ये डोमेन नेम होता है, और .com दिस इज कॉल्ड डोमेन एक्सटेंशन. डोमेन एक्सटेंशन आपको ये शो करेगा जो ये वेबसाइट है वो किस टाइप की है। .com मीन्स ये कॉमर्शियल वेबसाइट है, क्लियर। यदि .edu होता तो इट मीन्स ये एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड वेबसाइट होती। तो जो डोमेन एक्सटेंशन है इट tells us that which type of website is this. So students, this is all about from this lesson, chapter 12, Introduction to Internet. I hope you have understood each and everything which we have discussed about internet, about website, web pages, home page, and about the protocols. Thank you. Have a nice day.